how to forge something in the shortest time possible and travel in the evening. That is the situation right up there. Of course, it had to be big boxes to save time, and then Marley twists. Since they are coarse and natural, Marley twists don't have to be so neat to look great. You agree that twist braids are easy travel hairstyles because there is less manipulation. You basically have less to worry about your hair while still looking great. Watch how I achieve this hairstyle and also how I refresh it when it starts looking mushy. Maybe you could gain or add something. Now that's the hair extension that is common and budget friendly in our local area. So I'm going to stretch them out, make them more pliable, use rubber bands to secure the sections that I'm about to make. I don't know how you do it, but I just find starting my parts like this from the middle, using my nose as a guide, the middle part of my nose as a guide, to make that middle part makes it easier for me to get accurate parts the rest of the other areas. Once you have the middle part established, you can use it as a reference to create additional patterns for your braids, or to create a balanced appearance, frame your face nicely and provide a clean and polished look. Starting with the middle part will do exactly that. It will make it easier to divide your hair into equal sections as you work your way down the head, which will also save you time and effort in the long run. Well, not all of us may want the middle parting, and also certain hairstyles may not require middle parting because we have side parting, deep parting, diagonal parting. So it varies. Personal preferences, face shape. What else? What is your favorite parting? So I'm continuing to make this pattern into smaller sections. Where does someone get good rubber bands? I mean strong rubber bands. I didn't have a good experience with these. They were breaking or kept coming back to repeat the process for every section that would give away. I mean, these rubber bands wasted a lot of time. So let me just allow you enjoy the visual. And please, if you tried it, don't mind tagging Cat Africa on Instagram with your photo on this hairstyle. Okay, as usual, it involves using a crochet hook to loop the Marley hair through your natural hair. How simple is that? I guess you all agree that this is, it's a quicker and less labor intensive process. Now look at that, trying to have control of my hair by fixing it into the extension. Will this really help? Well, since this extension mimics our natural hair, I didn't bother to stress looking for what do we call it? Yeah, I would say braiding gel or wax gel. So basically wax helps to keep the hair strands together during twisting. Generally helps your hair look smooth and sleek, making it easier to create clean and neat braids. Well, today I'm not really concerned about very neat braids. I just want something to make it easy for me to travel and stay up country for some time. You know, up country you don't have easy access to certain things to maintain natural hair. Neither do I have time to over manipulate it, so these twists will do the job. But at least fixing them inside like that into the extension gives me some measure of control when braiding, and then pre-twisting like this before I actually twist. Yeah, so it will be fairly neat. That is satisfactory for now. How often do you oil your scalp? Well, after a fortnight, I saw that it was dry. Oil also generally helps with cleaning the scalp in a way. It helps soften and loosen any buildup, including dead skin cells, sebum, styling product residues. So this makes it easier to get rid of them. So after dressing the scalp, lightly coat your braids with oil, running your fingers along the braids to distribute the oil evenly. I mean, by now your braids should be brittle and need oil to make them softer, fresher. I imagine we're all familiar with this. Locking helps to tighten and neaten the extensions. If you notice any loose or frizzy ends, you may also have to tuck them back into the twist. And so this is how it would maintain and refresh the appearance of a twist or any other braid hairstyle or locks. Well, depending on your hair type and the style you're wearing, you may need to relock or refresh your twist every few weeks or as needed to maintain the desired look. So once we've refreshed our twists, we want to style them the way we like, whether putting them in updos, buns, or wearing them down. Well, I found this so fancy, simply dipping the ends of the twist in hot water and then unraveling them to give that seamless look at the ends. You can clearly see where I stopped when unraveling. Just a simple tip you could also try. Stay tuned for our next video. We shall look at other ways of achieving Marley twist hairstyles.